This video documents the resurfacing of a pitted concrete walkway. Concrete pitting can occur from slab placement error or salt damage. These aren't the only causes of pitting, but likely are the more common reasons. This concrete walkway has prevalent exposed aggregate because so much of the surface has become eroded. To properly resurface this slab, the first step will be to clean the pit walls and bottoms to remove all bond-inhibiting contaminants. The process of shot blasting is chosen because its design makes it perfectly suited to clean irregular surfaces. The process is dustless and the abrasive media is collected by magnet. A surface vacuuming collects any remaining waste. Resurfacing the concrete is done using a cement-based material designed for this purpose. Its durability is formulated to withstand freeze-thaw cycles, vehicle traffic, and exterior weather conditions. Here it's being applied in 2 coats. The first coat is done to fill the majority of the surface pits. Its application amounts to spreading the product over the surface and allowing it to fill the voids. Once dry, a second coat is applied to mimic a broom-finished surface. While it doesn't look exactly like new concrete, it does solve the problem of an unattractive pitted walkway. The final step in the resurfacing process is the application of a penetrating sealer. The chemical sealer is applied by sprayer and spread by roller. Its use makes the walkway water repellent and stain resistant. And that's about it. Resurfacing of a pitted concrete walkway.